So first, I'm going to show you what you might be thinking. Going to this mixer brush and just mixing it normally does not work. So you need to be using something that retains the textures and keeps everything looking natural, like frequency separation. Now I use the FS 2.0 frequency separation method. Go check that out. It's amazing. So I'm going to play that and get right back to it. We've done all the actions, and this is what it looks like with the textures. We've run the action, and now this is what it looks like with the textures. We've run the action. This is what the texture layer looks like. So you normally clone out the texture into it. But first we're going to go straight to the color tab and click on that and mix it that way, and then go back into the texture. So we're going to be doing this in reverse from what you would normally do. So I'm going to select in between these two, hold on and click there. It's going to turn into a crazy color. So we're just going to turn that off because we don't need it at the moment. Go back down here to your color layer. Now, if you don't know what frequency separation is, there are a ton of channels that have explained that. Go check those out. So this is the blending tool that I'm going to be using. It's the mixer brush tool. These are the settings that I prefer, but just find what you like the most. And I'm going to start by just clicking in between these two and just kind of going up and down while holding my mouse. Same thing going up here. And this is just going to blend these two colors together. You always want to go in a direction that works with your subject. And now I'm just going to blend these back into the spot that it was in so it looks natural. And now you still see that there's a textured line here where it used to be. Let's go ahead and fix that by clicking on this layer, going back to the clone tool, and then just merging these together the best you can to make it look natural. Try and keep the textures in the same spot or else it would look weird. Getting rid of some of these little hairs as well while I'm here. Why not? I could also do that over here, just to match up everything. If I wanted to, I could click back on this, go over here, and mix this as well. Makes it look a little bit more even. Going back to this, so you can see, turning this on and off, you can see everything we did. You're all done. So for the actual image itself, looks natural and good. Thanks everyone. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to learn next. Have a great day.